All right.
Hey Greater, well, we are so excited about those of you who decided to join the Circle of Greatness this semester. Around 200 of you decided to be a part of what we're doing here at the church, and for that I think you deserve a round of applause, so give your hand. But last week we issued a challenge that you would call in or text in who you wanted to be receive this next cold water baptism challenge. And for some strange reason, you chose me. And so I love you very, very much in Jesus' name. And so I guess we can get right to it. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not.
Hello Greater, this is Marche and these are your G3 announcements.
Calling all men. Are you looking for a ministry that's unconventional? If so, the GMC Mind team needs you. If you're 18 years of age or older and would like more information, please contact Joanna Coatney.
The final pre-engagement class of 2014 will begin on Sunday, September 14th at 2:30 p.m. The course will prepare you with the necessary tools to begin your marriage God's way. It is a required course if you'd like Pastor Clark to perform your wedding ceremony. The workbook Before You Say I Do is provided at no cost. Upon completion, you will receive a certificate valid for 1 year to have your marriage license fee discounted and 72-hour waiting period waived. Please register on Access ACS or email Don and Nell Walker.
Men of Greater, the 2014 Men's Retreat will be held on September 12th and 13th in Burnet, Texas. The theme for this year is Under Armour, Getting Ready for the Modern Warfare. We will have dynamic sessions with Pastor Brian Carter from Concord Church, Rob Harrell from First EV Free, and our very own Pastor Galen Clark. We would like every man to come and join us as we train to be the men that God has called us to be. The cost of the retreat is $60. Register on Access ACS or contact Cedric Burton.
These have been your G3 announcements. Please be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Have a great week.